Holy Land. We came in ships from across the sea.
One of the person who I think may be the greatest chematologist ever, at least definitely one of the best chematologists ever, is Dr. Yosef Ben Yakanan. And Dr. Ben often talks about the three Aha kings, right? The three Aha kings, and including an Aha king before the person that we refer to as Normer. So I think what happened here is you had in Upper Egypt a tradition of powerful kings developing. And that those powerful kings were able to organize the people to take advantage of this population growth and eventually overtake the populations upstream with a much smaller population. Also, there may be a possibility, too, that there was a weakness in leadership at this time in Nubia. So we have to talk about Norman. It is Norma, it is Norma Menace, who established what we call today Menace, all right, Menace, or Menefer. He consolidated his power by marrying into the royal family from Lord Kemet. And as you can see here, this is the image of Norma, so this is a sculpture. Now, do you think there's anywhere in the world, any way in the world, that this person is not African? Does this person look like he can be anything but African to you? If he does, you can tell me. I think it's pretty indisputable this person is African. And what we also have here is the normal palette. The normal palette tells us a lot. Here's Norma again. All right, Norma again. With the head jet, the crown of Upper Kemet. What you see here is what's called a mace, basically a stick with a rock on the end. And he's about to smite this enemy right here. This enemy is not African. This enemy is Asiatic. These are the populations that are coming down from the Middle East area by way of the Sinai over into Africa. And here is Norma annihilating these rivals. How do we know who they are? Because we can see here, these symbol right here. This denotes marshlands. This is papyri. This denotes marshlands. All right, the great master teacher Tajedi, what people refer to as the world's first multi-genius. Here is Imhotep. All right, here's Imhotep, seated, and you usually see him like this. If you go to the Metropolitan Museum and you see Imhotep, he's most of the time going to be shown sitting down. This scroll right here, that depicts abstract thought. Here he is. This is what we call the mastaba pyramid or step pyramid. This is designed by the great master teacher Imhotep, the Tajedi. That is the person who designed this step pyramid. The pyramids that you see built after that, they're simply building on what Imhotep has already done. This is the first stone structure built above ground right here. He's from the Menace area, from the land called Unktawi, which means life of the two lands. All right, life of the two lands. What he is best known for, I think, is his success as a physician, right? The healing of thousands of people and teaching the profession to several other people.